Assalamu alaikum students and a very good morning to you all. How are you all? Can you hear me? Please tell me, am I audible to you all? Assalamu alaikum students and a very good morning to you all. Welcome to your English class. Can you hear me? Am I audible to you all? Thank you Hafsa Amer. Thank you Onshi. Thank you Elena Salman for your timely response. Thank you everyone. Good morning everyone. Good morning on. Okay, students. So this is our English language lecture number 26. Okay, this is our English language lecture, and it is lecture number 26. Yesterday we revised present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense, right? Means we revised indefinite tense yesterday, and I gave you an assignment yesterday. You had to do some translations in your language copies. Have you done that? Have you done that? Yes, I gave you an assignment yesterday that I shared in the classroom as well. We discussed that homework assignment in our class as well. Are you done with that? Okay, Abdullah Irfan. Very nice, Hafsa. Very good, Alina Salman. Okay, so we are going to revise continuous tense today and we will do the classwork as well in the end. So I hope you all are having your language copies with you along with your stationery box. Okay, so shall we start now? Are you guys ready? Okay, that's great, Marusha. So the topic of our today's lecture is continuous tense. Okay, we are going to revise present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Okay, so let's begin with the present continuous tense. Okay, beta, present continuous tense. In this tense, we talk about the action which is incomplete and is still going on. Means when we have to talk about the actions which are incomplete and are still going on, we use present continuous tense. For example, I'm speaking right now, so I will say I am speaking, okay, or I am teaching. Means this is the action which is still going on, right? I am teaching you right now and it is going on, so I will use present continuous tense for such actions. Okay. So structure is here. You can see the structure on the screen. Subject plus helping verb plus V1 with ing plus object. Subject plus helping verb plus V1 with ing plus object. As I told you that whenever you see the word continuous, you have to use V1 with ing. No matter whether it is present continuous tense, past continuous tense, or future continuous tense, okay? You always use V1 with ing when it is continuous, okay? The only thing that changes is the helping verb, okay? In present continuous tense, we have is, am, and are as the helping verb, okay? In present continuous tense, we have three helping verbs: is, am, and are. Now here is the use of the helping verbs. Use of is, am, and are. Is used with he, she, it, or singular. Okay, is used with he, she, it, singular. Am is only used with I. When you have I in the subject, you use am. Okay, then we have are, you, we, they, plural. We use are with you, we, they, and plural. Is it clear? Now I'm going to ask you guys, are you ready for the question? Okay, so Abdullah Irfan, are you with me? Abdullah Irfan. Abdullah Irfan, are you with me? Now tell me, what are the helping verbs of present continuous tense? Abdullah Irfan, I want you to use your mic.
Is, am, are.
Very good. Is, am, and are the helping verbs of present continuous tense. Okay, now on. On, you have to answer me. Okay, what do we use with I? What do we use with I? On, shake.
Am.
Very nice, very good. Okay, now I want Hafsa Amir to answer me. What do we use with we? Hafsa Amir. What do we use with we? Very good, Hafsa Amir. Hafsa Amir, you're not having mic. Okay, Hamdan, very nice, very good, correct answer. All right. So, what do we use with plural? Means if I have Ahmad and Ali in the subject, what will I use? Umar bin Salman. Umar bin Salman. Umar, are you with me, beta?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now tell me, if we have plural in the subject, what do we use? Which helping verb do we use with the plural?
Miss R.
Yes.
Yes, Umar. Umar bin Salman.
Miss R.
Okay, very nice. Please,
Miss R.
okay, very nice, Umar, very good. Beta, just unmute your mic when I ask you, okay? If I take your name, then you have to speak. All right, everyone? So excellent. Now we are moving ahead. We are going to see the structure of interrogative and negative of this tense, okay? Now, here is the structure for interrogative sentences of present continuous tense. What is the structure? Helping verb plus subject plus V1 with ing plus object. What you have to do to make the interrogative, you just move the helping verb of the sentence in the beginning. Okay, I have just moved the helping verb in the beginning. Okay, and to make it a negative, what do we use? We use not with the helping verb. Okay, so subject plus helping verb plus not plus V1 with ing plus object. Okay, here is an example. We are going for picnic. We are going for picnic. This is present continuous tense, right? We are. Since I have written we in the subject, so I've used are here. Okay, we are going. Go is the first form of verb, and I've added ing. So going. We are going for picnic. To make it negative, what I've done, I've just added not with helping verb. Helping verb is are. So in this sentence, I have just added not with are. Okay. We are not going for picnic. And for interrogative, what I've done, I have just moved the helping verb. What is helping verb here? Are. We are going for picnic. I've just moved the helping verb are in the beginning. Okay. What will be the sentence if I move it in the beginning? Are we going for picnic? Question mark. Okay. Is it clear? And now for the Urdu identification of present continuous tense, you have to remember if the Urdu sentences end on रहा है, रही है or रहे हैं, it is present continuous tense. Okay, it is present continuous tense. रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. All right. What is the Urdu identification of present continuous tense? What is the Urdu identification of present continuous tense? Yes, Sameen Rafi. Sameen Rafi.
Can I tell you?
No, please let Sameen Rafi answer me first. Sameen Rafi. Sameen, are you with me? Okay, Shanti Kumari wants to answer. Yes, Shanti. Shanti is raising hand. Yes, Shanti, tell me the answer. What is the Urdu identification of present continuous tense?
रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं.
Excellent. When you have rahi hai in the end of the Urdu sentence, it means it is present continuous tense, and you have to translate it according to the structure of continuous present continuous tense. Okay, very good, Shanti. All right. Now we are moving towards past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous tense. Okay, thank you, Alina Salman, Aisha Ijaz, Marusha Mubin. You are giving me answer in the chat box. Your answers are correct. Very good. Uh, okay, so past continuous tense. Okay, the past continuous tense is used to describe the action. Is used to describe the actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. Means when you have to talk about the actions which started in the past and were not finished, okay, and they continued for a short period of time, so we use past continuous tense. Here is the structure for past continuous tense. As I told you, the structure for continuous tense remains same for all the tenses, means for present, past, and future. The only thing that changes is the helping verb. So look at here, subject plus helping verb plus V1 with ing plus object, right? Subject plus helping verb plus V1 with ing plus object. Although we are having present continuous tense, right? We are discussing the structure of past continuous tense. But which form of verb we are using here? V1 with ing, okay? It is past continuous tense, but we are using V1 with ing, okay? We are not using V2 because ing is added with V1 only, okay? So, no matter whether it is present tense, past tense, or future tense, when it comes to continuous, we always use V1 with ing, all right? So subject plus helping verb plus V1 with ing plus object. And what are the helping verbs for past continuous tense? Was and were. Okay, we have two helping verbs for past continuous tense, was and were. All right, with was is used with he, she, it, I, or singular. When you have he, she, it, I, or singular in the subject, you use was, okay? And when you have you, we, they, plural in the subject, you use were. Okay, so were is used with you, we, they, plural, and was is used with he, she, it, I, and singular. Okay, I hope you remember this. Read it once, read it silently once, then I'll move ahead.
Use of was and were.
No, no,
Was
better
he,
read it
she, it,
silently.
I
Read it
singular.
silently.
Were
Okay, so
Miss done.
okay, all right. Now, here is the structure for the interrogative or interrogative sentence of past continuous tense. Simple. What we have to do, we just have to move the helping verb in the beginning to make it interrogative. Helping verb means was and were plus subject plus V1 with ing plus object. For negative, we have to add not with helping verb. That's it. Subject plus helping verb means was or were plus not plus V1 with ing plus object. Okay. What I've done here, I've just added not with the helping verb to make it negative. And to make the interrogative, what I did, I just moved the helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. That's it. Miraj, we are going to do the copy work today in the end. So, first of all, you have to understand this. Then, we are going to do the translations of continuous tense in today's work. Okay. All right. So, here is the example. We were going for picnic. Now, I have used were here. Okay. So, it means it is past continuous tense. We were going for picnic. Negative will be we were not going for picnic. Okay, I've just added not with the helping verb. And what is helping verb here? Were. Okay, interrogative. What I'm going to do to make it interrogative, I'll just move the helping verb, that is were, here in the beginning. So what will it become? Were we going for picnic? Question mark. Okay, similarly we have another question. We are having negative here. Ali was not eating mango. Ali was not eating mango. Now, to make it affirmative, what I will do, what I've done to make it affirmative, I've just deleted not from the sentence. Ali was eating mango. Simple. Okay. Now, interrogative. Was Ali eating mango? Question mark. Now Ali is singular here. That's why I've used was with Ali. Okay. That's why I've used was with Ali. And we is plural. So I've used were with we. Okay. Now we are going to see the future continuous tense. Now, okay. And what about the Urdu identification of past continuous tense? What is the Urdu identification of past continuous tense? Can any of you tell me the answer?
Miss, can I tell you?
Beta, before taking the permission, just raise your hand. Raise your hand, okay? Then I'll take your name. Okay, Marusha Mubin, yes, tell me. What is the Urdu identification of past continuous tense?
था.
Just tha, okay. What about Alina? Alina, can you answer me? What is the Urdu identification of past continuous tense?
रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी.
Excellent. What is the Urdu identification of past continuous tense?
रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे.
Okay, very nice. Omar bin Salman, are you with me? Omar, what is the Urdu identification of past continuous tense? Omar bin Salman. I want you to be
रहा
very
था
attentive
रही
during the
रहे
class,
थे
beta. Yes, Omar, I can't hear you.
मिस रहा था रही थे रहे थे
Excellent, very nice, super. Okay, Meraj Hussain. Meraj Hussain. Meraj, are you with me? Meraj, are you with me? Miram. Miram, are you with me? What is the Urdu identification of past continuous tense? Miram. Mir Aban Ali. Mir Aban Ali. Beta, those who are not here, those who are not attentive, I'm not going to mark your attendance. I want you to participate. Okay, I want answer from you. Mir Aban Ali. Okay, okay, Miram, you are not having mic. It's okay, beta. You may answer me here in the chat box. Mir Aban Ali. Miram is present. Okay, Miram. Mir Aban Ali, you are not responding. I'm not going to mark your attendance. Okay. So, beta, the Urdu identification of past continuous tense is raha tha, rahi thi, and rahe the. Okay. So we are moving towards future continuous tense. Then we have to do the classwork as well. Okay. Future continuous tense indicates that something will occur in the future, means it is used for the action that is going to happen in the future, okay, and continue for an unexpected length of time. Means future continuous tense is used for the action. It is used to indicate the action that is going to happen in the future and will continue for an unexpected length of time. The subject for this tense is, structure for this tense is subject plus helping verb, and helping verb is just will be. So I've written will be here, okay, instead of helping verb. Subject plus will be plus V1 with ing plus object. Now this is future continuous tense, but still we are using V1 with ing, okay? For all the continuous tenses, we use V1 with ing. Subject plus helping verb, that is will be, plus V1 with ing plus object. No matter what is in the subject, we use will be with all the subjects, okay? To make it interrogative, what we do, we just move the helping verb, means will, okay? Not will be, will. Will plus subject plus be plus V1 with ing plus object, okay? Will plus subject plus be plus V1 with ing plus object. And to make it negative, we just add not in between will not be, okay? Subject plus will not be plus V1 with ing plus object. Now here is an example. We will be going for picnic. Negative is we will not be going for picnic. Will be is the helping verb, and I've just added not in between will be. Will not be, okay? We will not be going for picnic. An interrogative, will we be going for picnic? Question mark. And the Urdu identification of this tense is raha hoga, rahi hoge, rahe honge. So I'm repeating the Urdu identification of present, past, and future continuous tense once again. Present continuous tense is, the Urdu identification for present continuous tense is raha hai, rahi hai, or rahe hain. Past continuous tense raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the. Future continuous tense raha hoga, rahi hogi, rahe honge, okay? So here is your classwork. What you have to do, you have to maintain the index first. Here is your index, write the serial number, mention the date, that is 21st January. Then you have to mention the topic, that is translations, and mention continuous tense in the bracket. That's it. Beta, please make sure your parents are signing your index, okay? Make sure you are getting your indices signed by your parents, okay? Write the index, maintain the index very quickly, then maintain the page. Okay, stop typing in the chat box. I don't want any of you to type in the chat box now. Start doing your classwork, maintain your page, maintain the index, then we are going to do the translations of continuous tense. All right. Okay, Aisha. And if you're done with it, just raise your hand, then I'll move ahead, okay? Translations, translations, continuous tense is the topic that we are going to do. So you have to mention this in the index. Okay, very nice. Now prepare the page, write the date, write CW. Okay, Naima. Okay, Arisha Amir. Arisha, Naima, Alina has done the work. Okay, they have maintained the index. Okay, very nice. Now, here is the translations that we have to do in the copy. Hurry up, copy down these translations very quickly and leave one line for the answers. Number one, better you have to maintain your page like this. Mention the date, that is 21, 21st January. Then you have to give the heading translations, and in the bracket you have to write continuous tense. We are not going to make title page. There is no title page for this work
Miss,
because we have already made the title page yesterday. Okay.
Miss, we have to make title page.
No, beta, I'm saying you don't have to make the title page as we have already made the title page of translations yesterday, okay? Just make the index, just maintain the index and prepare the page, write date, give the heading, and then copy these sentences, Urdu sentences, okay? I'm just giving you 5 minutes to do this work. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. You have to leave one line for the answer, okay? मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. Number one. Is everybody writing? मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. Number two. Abdullah Irfan, beta, we have just written translation and in the bracket pass continuous tense, okay? We have just written translations and in the bracket continuous tense in our index. Quickly, I'm showing you the index once again. Please have a look at it. Here is your index. Abdullah Irfan. Abdullah Irfan. Okay. All right. So here are the sentences that you have to translate in the English. First, you are going to maintain the page very properly. You have to mention the date. You have to give the heading, and then you have to copy these sentences. There are 5 sentences, Urdu sentences here. Okay. Copy these sentences. Then we are going to translate it. Don't translate it right now. Just copy these Urdu sentences. You have 3 minutes left. Move your hands fast. Number two is बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. Number three, हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. Number three, हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. Number four, कुत्ता रात को भौंक रहा था. कुत्ता रात को भौंक रहा था. Number five, क्या तुम चोर को पकड़ रहे होगे? Question mark. क्या तुम चोर को पकड़ रहे होगे? Question mark. Alina has done very good, Alina. Alina has copied all the sentences. Very good, Alina. Well done. Very good, Hafsa Amer. Hurry up, beta. Only 1 minute is left. Then I'll start the work. Hurry up, everyone. Okay, copy these sentences. You have 1 minute to copy all these sentences. Then I'll move ahead. I'll start the discussion. Okay. Till then, I'm taking your attendance. Okay, students are raising hands. It means they are done with it. Anabia are doing the work. Okay. So Anabia, are you doing the work with me? Haya Kamar, Anabia. Hurera Khan. Hurera, are you with me? Are you doing the work? You are not having mic with you. Okay. Haya Kamar, you are not having mic. Okay. Beta, you may respond in the chat box. Okay. 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 All right. Majority of you are done with the yes, I've done with the work. So I'm going to start now. Number one. Number one, okay, we just have 5 minutes to write the translations of these sentences. So move your hands fast and please be with me. Okay, everyone, and try to use your mic to answer me. Okay, I'm not going to see the chat box now. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. First of all, which tense is this? This is रहा हूँ in the end. There is रहा हूँ in the end, so it means it is present continuous tense. It is. Yes, very good. So who is going to tell me the answer? मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. Raise your hand, then I'll choose.
Miss, can I tell you?
Yes. Umar bin Salman. Umar bin Salman. I want Umar bin Salman to answer this. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ.
Miss, I am searching for my watch.
I am searching for my watch. Very good. Or
Miss, I have internet problem.
okay, beta, you may do it later from the recorded lecture. I am looking for my watch. I am looking for my watch. Or I am searching my watch. Both are correct. Yes, Mehraj. Mehraj, repeat the answer. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. Mehraj. Mehraj Hussain, I want you to answer this. Mehraj. मैं अपनी घड़ी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. I am looking for my watch. I am looking for my watch. Okay, now we are moving towards 2. बूंदा बांदी हो रही है. बूंदा बांदी हो रही है. Who is going to answer me? बूंदा बांदी हो रही है. नाइमा खान. नाइमा खान. बूंदा बांदी हो रही है. On शेख. बूंदा बांदी हो रही है. Miram Vakar has given me the answer. Very good.
Lightly.
On, I can't hear you, beta. Please speak a little louder.
It is raining lightly.
No, not raining. What do we have? We have a particular word for bunda bandi. Miram has given me the answer. Very good, Miram. It is drizzling. It is drizzling. Okay. Okay, Mehraj, you have given me the answer in the chat box. Okay, good, Mehraj. It is drizzling. Yes, Aisha, very good. DRIZZLING. It is drizzling. Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, I have internet issue so that I can't listen you. So please
Beta,
repeat.
okay, if you are having your internet issue, you may catch up from the recorded lecture. I'm going to post it in the Google Classroom, okay?
Okay, Miss.
बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. It is drizzling. Now number 3. हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. हम गहरी नींद means sound sleep, okay? We have a particular word for गहरी नींद, that is sound sleep, okay? हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. This is past continuous tense. And how did I recognize this? रहे थे, okay? It has रहे थे in the end. It means it is past continuous tense. हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. Yes, who is going to answer me? Naima Khan. Naima Khan. हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. Naima Khan. Can you please translate it? Yusera Khan. Naima Khan or Yusera Khan.
Miss, we were sleeping soundly.
Excellent, very nice. We were sleeping soundly. We were sleeping soundly. हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. We were sleeping soundly. Okay, who is having internet issue? The girl told me that she's having internet issue. Who is she? Can you please?
Miss Shanti.
Okay, Shanti, I'm going to show the answers in the end. Then you will capture the screen. Okay. हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. We were sleeping soundly. Now, the fourth one. कुत्ता रात को भौंक
Yes, Miss.
रहा
Okay.
था. कुत्ता रात को भौंक रहा था. Now, who is going to answer me? Yes, hurry up. Tell me the answer. कुत्ता रात को भौंक रहा था.
Miss, can I tell you?
Yes, please.
The dog was barking at night.
Excellent. The dog was barking at night. Very good. Miriam has also given me the answer in the chat box. Very good. Hafsa Amir has also given me the answer. Aisha Ijaz. Okay. Those who are not having mic, they may answer me in the chat box. I'm looking at your answers here too. So, number 4 is the dog was barking at night. The dog was barking at night. Okay. The last one, we are having last one here. क्या तुम चोर को पकड़ रहे होगे? Now this is future continuous tense. Okay, this is future continuous tense and it is the interrogative sentence. So क्या तुम चोर को पकड़ रहे होगे? Good, Anabia. Will you be catching the thief? Excellent, Anabia. Very nice. Yes, Yusera, you may answer me in the yes, you may use your mic. Yusera Khan.
Will you be catching the thief?
Very nice. Will you be catching the thief? So we are done with the classwork. I'm just showing you the answers so you may check your answers once again. Please check your spellings, check the answers of these translations. I have shown the answers here on the screen. Have a look at it, or you may capture the screen as well to do it later in the copies if you're having the internet connection problem. All right, so we are done. Yes, who is asking? Yes, yes, Aiza Salman, your answer is correct. Will you be catching the thief? And then there will be a question mark in the end. Okay. So, students, you are done with the classwork. I hope you have done this work very neatly in your copy and you have captured the screen. You have captured the screen too. So you may check it later. We are running out of time. The time is running out. Have you checked your answers? Have you checked your answers? Raise your hand if you have checked your answers already from the screen. Okay, excellent, excellent. Students are raising hands. Excellent. So you have checked your answer. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you for being on time and thank you for your participation. I really enjoyed your class. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz. See you tomorrow.